Coach, SMB basketball was in full display tonight as you played through Junmar and really anchored your offense on him. How did the dynamics within the team change that allowed Junmar to erupt this way tonight compared to games 3 and 4?
Well, we just gave him more touches, because he's really a great post player. So we just took advantage of that situation. And we know when Junmar gets doubled, he's a good passer. So that's what he did today. We just went to him, and then he just decided what to do inside the court. So if he was doubled, he would pass the ball. If he was not doubled, he would go straight to the basket. So all of my hats out with Junmar Fajardo in this game. He played his heart out. So I have nothing to say about this guy, except all praises.
Coach, what's your biggest takeaway in the series against Converge that you'd like to bring in your next series against Ginebra?
Well, when we played Converge, when it started with game 3 and 4, when we started to relax, and then we gave them an opportunity to come back. So we just can't relax in any team we play. If Converge was here for a reason, that's why during the playoffs, that's why we could not relax against them, because it's a pesky young team. So we had a hard time going back on defense and everything. So against Ginebra, we just have to play well. If it's well coached, it has great players. So we just have to play well. We have to play our A game for us to have a chance to beat them.
Thank you, Coach George. Junmar, congratulations. Grabe, may mga pagkakataon sa court na nakahiga ka na lang dahil sa dami ng ginagawa mo at sa hirap ng iyong tinrabaho. Gaano ka ba pinagod ng Converge, not only in this game, but throughout the series?
Una-una, papasalamat kami kay God na walang na-injury sa game na to. And then, ayun, credit din sa Converge sa magandang series na binigay nila sa atin. Credit sa kila coach, sa mga teammates ko. Nag-step up kami lahat sa game na to. Kasi alam namin na do or die na to eh. Pag natalo, wala uwi. Tas ayaw pa namin umuwi. Kailangan namin manalo. So yun yung binakita namin. Laro namin yung lagi kami nire-remind ni coach na laruin yung San Miguel basketball, which is yun yung ginawa namin tonight. So yun, buti nakuha namin yung panalo. So
Junmar, ang ganda ng momentum, not just ng San Miguel, but you, most importantly, dahil conference high mo to in points and conference high tying for rebounds. Thank you, Sir Fidel. So ang ganda ng momentum mo as you enter your series against Ginebra. Pero looking back sa quarterfinal series na to, ano ba yung biggest challenge na binato sa'yo ng Converge that will really help you in preparing against Ginebra?
Mahirap yung ginawa ng Converge kasi si Justin nagdadrive tapos ilang minutes papasok naman yung mga shooter nila na big. So dun ako nahirapan, pero yun, thankful ako kina coach. Tinutulungan nila ako best way sa kung ano yung pwede may tulong ng team sa akin. So ayun, thankful ako sa kanila. Kung hindi dahil sa team, hindi ko rin makukuha yung kung ano yung score ko ngayon. So ayun, team effort yan. So
Let's take a look at